In this video, we will show you a new section which will provide managers with a global overview of tasks assigned to each member of their team. Go to the Work module and click on the Manager View option. Here, managers can view all team members and their respective ongoing or assigned tasks. You can scroll to the right if you are the manager of a larger team. There is a search box located at the top in order to find specific tasks. Additionally, you can view more detailed information about the task, such as descriptions and participants, by clicking on the toggle button to the right of the search bar. This view is also configurable for different categories, such as define a custom date range or select the predefined options or filter by active or inactive projects and employees. It is possible to switch from active to inactive projects and change the category from employee to project. In this view, you will see all ongoing projects and the active tasks within those projects.